Yeah, it's young Cicero, Denton Alexis Malcolm, aka Rude Kid-da-ReggaeRap Inventor, small business magnate, chairman, celebrity executive chef, and artist at D.A.M Company's conglomerate. I'm here at one of my favorite spots. You already know it's Starbucks, Adams Morgan. Getting ready to meet with new prospect, new client, you know, for events management and marketing, and of course music, you know, dub plates, and making some major ventures happening, sound system, things of that nature. R.I.P. to my clientele, prospect, family member, you know. But this moment is also monumental also because one of the first time somebody close to me there had one of their family passed away, and I asked them for the catering contract. So celebrity style catering, making it happen. You already know, man. It's Vibez Universal LLC, celebrity style catering, Road Kid Entertainment Label Group by D.A.M Companies LLC. Get at us online at www.facebook.com D.A.M Companies LLC. Of course, all the social media at Celebrity Style Catering, at Vibez Universal LLC. We just got a new graphic designer and photographer. So log on to V.U.P USA 1 and at RKELG, at RKELG 1. And check out the music, ReverbNation.com at Rude Kid-da-ReggaeRap Inventor, YouTube.com at Rude Kid-da-ReggaeRap Inventor 8458 at RKLG at Denton Malcolm. That's what it is, man. Call us today, 202-440-5354. All right? That's what it is. Thanks. Bye.